How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1998 Chevy short box V8 5.7 in it. It's original owner truck. It's got 27,000 miles on it. Just a super nice old truck, guys. I normally don't do these, but it's such a nice truck. Nice little short box. Beautiful burgundy. Truck's in original paint. See, it's got all the factory wheels on it. Really nice. See, all inside the box is nice and clean. Truck's nice and straight down the side, don't have any dings in it to speak of. Just a super nice truck, clean, real nice little truck, guys. Really clean under the hood and everything, just like you would expect. Just a really nice driver, guys. Not very often you find an A title truck, which is the original owner, original title. It's got your AM, FM, CD, tilt, cruise, air. It's got the cloth interior. See how nice and clean the jams all are. So all inside the box looks real nice. We left our dust rag there. Headliner's nice. Dash is all real nice in it. Just a super clean, nice truck. Thing purrs like a kitten. Tell you, the thing's so quiet, just nice. Purrs like a kitten. I really like this short box and the burgundy. Personally, I'd do like a 3-inch drop in the rear just to get the truck set nice and level. Tell you, it's just a really nice truck. Hard to find them. You can get in this truck will last you a long time. Drive it, enjoy it, and have a nice looking little truck. And check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.